Hello and welcome back to IKEA 101. This time we will make washing, drying and ironing easier. Let's discover an affordable laundry solution that fits your closed outdoor rooms or utility areas perfectly. This is Janaxle. Janaxle can be customized to your spaces, personal needs and can fit even the smallest of the areas. You can keep all your washing products close by on a shelf adjusted to your height. These transparent Samla boxes helps you see what's stored inside and even makes your space look bigger and more organized. Washed clothes can be easily dried by hanging on the Janaxle rails. Drying clothes on a hanger helps retain its natural flair. That feeling of wearing a crisp, crease-free shirt or a dress is a motivation in itself. Don't let small spaces stop you from ironing your clothes. Jal is small enough to fit on your washing machine. The legs can be easily folded and you can hang it when not in use. Last but not the least, you still have some extra storage space on top. You can use some Kugis boxes to store away some extra washing products, clips, tea towels, etc. We hope this space-saving laundry solution helps you organize better. Until next time, bye.